If you're running Oracle software on modern servers or in the cloud, a single misstep in licensing could cost your company hundreds of thousands or even millions, or even lead to an audit. But there's one tool you must understand to stay protected: the Oracle Processor Core Factor Table. And in 2025, it just got updated. Let's break it down quickly, and with real examples that matter. Oracle's Core Factor Table is the hidden multiplier that determines how many processor licenses your company needs. Instead of licensing every physical core, Oracle applies a core factor based on the processor's power. For example, an Intel Xeon Platinum chip carries a 0.5 factor. IBM Power Systems, 1.0, full license per core. But Ampere Ultra processors, just 0.25. In May 2025, Oracle updated the table again. Several new AMD EPYC and Intel Xeon processors were added, all with a 0.5 core factor. If you're planning a hardware refresh, this is huge. Get the right chip, and you could cut your Oracle licensing costs in half. Let's break down the math. Imagine a server with 80 cores using Intel Xeon. With a 0.5 core factor, you only need 40 processor licenses. On the other hand, IBM Power 10 with a 1.0 factor? You'll need all 30 licenses for 30 cores. Same power? Maybe. Same cost? Definitely not. In Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, things work a bit differently. You license based on OCPUs, Oracle Compute Units. On x86, one license covers 2 OCPUs. On Ampere, it's 4. This makes the licensing model more predictable. But if you're in AWS or Azure, be careful. Licensing can get murky. You'll either follow Oracle's conservative approach, which is safe but costly, or take a risk with a more aggressive interpretation, which may save money but increase audit risk. Now let's talk mistakes. One of the biggest? Using outdated tables or guessing core factors. Another? Confusing logical cores with physical ones. Or worse, ignoring virtualization and applying the wrong calculations entirely. Each of these can trigger an audit, and Oracle's license management services will be watching. Virtualization makes things even trickier. In VMware, for example, you usually have to license all physical cores in a cluster, unless you can prove exactly where Oracle VMs run. That's why detailed documentation and strong architecture planning are essential. Looking ahead, we expect more ARM-based processors like Ampere to gain traction, and more edge computing deployments to add complexity. Oracle may eventually publish guidance on containers and Kubernetes, but as of now, its official position is still evolving. So what can you do? First, document everything. Track your hardware, processors, core factors, and system changes. Second, review your core factor math regularly. And third, get expert help. The difference between a clean audit and a 6-figure penalty could be a single spreadsheet error. If you're unsure how these updates affect your current infrastructure, or you're planning a migration or audit defense, don't guess. Get clarity. Book a free 1-hour consultation with Redwood Compliance and talk through your unique Oracle licensing needs. Knowledge of the core factor table isn't just cost-saving. It's your shield against Oracle audit findings. Whether it's choosing the right Ampere or Intel chip, understanding cloud OCPU math, or managing hard-partitioned virtual environments, getting it right today avoids expensive surprises tomorrow.